Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best drywall lift is probably one of the most underrated tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional contractor. Installing drywall on walls can be a backbreaking job, but with the right lift, you can easily maneuver those heavy sheets into place. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of drywall lifts, exploring their features, benefits, and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Drywall Lift Panel Hoist, 16-foot Sheetrock Cabinet Jack. This drywall lift is built with heavy-duty steel construction and can handle a maximum load capacity of 150 pounds. It's designed to make your drywall projects easier and more efficient. This lift can reach up to 16 feet for ceilings and 19 feet for walls. It's perfect for applying various drywall panels up to 4 foot x 16 feet. Assembly is easy and requires no tools. You can quickly set it up and disassemble it for storage, saving you time and effort. The built-in winch brake and lock device ensures safety and sturdiness while you're working. It provides peace of mind during your projects. This lift meets CE standards and is constructed with all-welded steel. It features 3x4 caster wheels for easy rolling and stopping. What we like. This drywall lift boasts tool-free assembly, making setup a breeze. The built-in winch with brake ensures safety and sturdiness while you work. If you're looking for a user-friendly and safe option, this is the one for you. What people say. This product was easy to assemble, easy to use and enabled me to panel 600 square feet of 4x8 sheets, 52 pounds each, in 2 days, solo. The lift was easy to use and allows the user to position the sheets in narrow spaces as well as in open ceiling. The lift will push the sheets tight against the wall to enable the user to fit adjacent sheets easily and precisely. The lifter allows the user to back off the sheets so they can be easily fitted precisely. The lift will stable carry full or partial sheets easily. It is easy to load, as the design will allow a single person to load and position a sheet safely and stably. It moves well when loaded, and the wheel base and the frame on top move completely independently. It is impossible at least with 4x8 sheets to overbalance the load and lose the sheet. It is so well designed that it can be easily maneuvered into surprisingly small spaces. It is heavy and therefore solid, but it breaks down into 3 pieces. Number 4. Panellift Sheetrock Hoist 125, 150 pounds, Rolling Panel Lift. Introducing the original drywall lift, the Panellift. It's the industry's most trusted tool, designed for professionals. This is built for strength, durability, and ease of use. Built with high-grade steel and solid welded joints, this is engineered for maximum durability. It can lift loads up to 150 pounds, making it easy to set upper walls and pitch-vaulted ceilings. With its exclusive nose cone design, the frame slides smoothly onto the tripod. The flexed outriggers prevent bowing and hold drywall sheets securely for precise installation. The Panellift uses high-quality aircraft cable, designed for strength and safety. This ensures reliable lifting without any risk of breakage. This innovative drywall lift is engineered for safety, making it an essential tool. It helps contractors, installers, and DIYers save both time and money. What we like. This lift is built with heavy-duty construction and aircraft-grade cable for maximum durability and safety. Its easy setup and operation make it a great choice. If you value reliability and ease of use, this lift is an excellent choice. What people say. I was able to install Sheetrock on 10-foot high ceilings by myself. Very easy to use. Very stable and made well. The height is good enough to work on most houses with ceiling height from 8 to 11 foot. Used it to hang 5/8-inch drywall and it does this all day long no problem. The best part is the brake on the wheel. It's a nice firm brake and you don't have to worry about the board coming crashing down on your head. Also disassembles and folds up into a pretty small space that can be stowed in your trunk. Number 3. Panellift 439 Drywall Lift, Professional Sheetrock Hoist. Introducing the original drywall lift, the Panellift. We invented it. This industry-leading tool is designed for professionals who demand strength and reliability. Built with high-grade steel and solid welds, it's engineered for maximum durability. This lift can handle loads up to 200 pounds, making it easy to set upper walls and ceilings. The exclusive nose cone design allows the frame to slide smoothly onto the tripod. The flexed outriggers prevent bowing and securely hold drywall sheets for precise installation. Featuring a multi-stage chain lift mechanism, this ensures the lift's safety, longevity, and versatility. It's perfect for professional contractors and tool rentals. This innovative drywall lift is engineered for safety, making it an essential tool. It helps contractors, installers, and DIYers save time and money on every project. What we like. This drywall lift features a chain drive system for enhanced safety and longevity. It's built with heavy-duty construction, ensuring it can handle tough jobs. If you're a professional contractor or need a lift for tool rentals, this is the perfect option. What people say. The lift is well made and heavy-duty. Very easy to roll around and maneuver. Easy to assemble and break down. Heavy-duty and very stable. He chose this particular brand because of the chain lift, he did not want the cable lift. Number 2. Panellift HANGPRO Drywall Lift. Introducing the Panellift HANGPRO. This innovative lift is designed for easy, one-person drywall installation. It makes the job safer and more efficient for everyone. This patented technology is specifically designed to hang panels on vertical surfaces. It's engineered to maximize efficiency and safety, making it an essential tool for any project. It moves like a hand truck, allowing anyone to transport and hang panels. This makes it easy enough for one person to install drywall, whether for residential or commercial use. Built with premium-grade steel and a durable powder-coated finish, this lift ensures long-lasting performance. You can rely on it for all your drywall projects. Featuring rubber tires and durable casters, it provides smooth movement. The high-quality aircraft-grade cable ensures reliable lifting without breakage, keeping you safe. This lift eliminates the need for dragging, lifting, or holding heavy panels. It reduces strain, prevents injuries, and helps you get the job done faster. It lifts panels up to 10 feet high with a 150 pounds weight capacity. It handles panels up to 4 foot x 16 feet, perfect for any project you have. What we like. This lift uses patented technology designed for easy one-person installation on walls. It moves like a hand truck, making it easy to transport panels. If you're looking for a lift that simplifies wall panel installation, this is a great choice. What people say. It will move it from the staging area and safely lift it into position. Very well designed, and very sturdy. Big rubber tires let you move like a hand truck. But best feature is when stands up along the wall you can slide it side to side on the casters to get the board right where needed. Number 1. Panellift HANGPRO Drywall Lift. Introducing the Panellift HANGPRO, designed for easy drywall installation. This innovative tool allows one person to handle the job, making it perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This drywall lift is proudly made in the USA, ensuring the highest quality standards. It's built to last, providing reliable performance for years to come. Featuring patented technology, this lift maximizes efficiency and safety. It's engineered to make drywall installation safer and easier, reducing strain and preventing injuries. The Panellift HANGPRO moves like a hand truck, making it easy to transport panels. Anyone can use it to hang panels on walls, simplifying the installation process. Constructed from premium-grade steel with a durable powder-coated finish, this lift is built to last. It's a reliable tool for both residential and commercial use. With rubber tires and durable casters, it ensures smooth movement. The high-quality aircraft-grade cable guarantees reliable lifting without breakage. This tool eliminates the need for dragging, lifting, adjusting, or holding heavy panels. It helps you get the job done faster and more efficiently. What we like. This drywall lift is proudly made in the USA, ensuring high-quality standards. It features patented technology for easy one-person wall panel installation. If you value American-made products and easy operation, you should consider this lift. What people say. Panellift, Telta Company put out a tool that works well and built to last. Their lifts are also one of the best. It works well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.